Okay, it's another day, and today we're gonna work on the sawmill some more. We're gonna do more cutting wood. So we're taking the skid steer down, we're gonna go grab some wood, and right now, gonna fuel this thing up. Always does this. There we go. See when it's done. And all done. Now I'm gonna go grab the forks, and then we're gonna head down somewhere over there, and we're gonna pick up some logs. We're gonna cut them and use them for beams, kind of like this, so we can put the logs on them and stuff. But I guess see you when you get down there. Okay, we're down here, and we're gonna selectively pick some stuff from this pile. We're gonna pull it. I'm gonna pull it out with the skid steer. And we'll find what we want. There's some stuff we found that we want, but we gotta pull a whole bunch of logs out to get to it. Okay, we decided on 2. We're gonna take that one eventually, not now. Maybe we won't even take it. But we're gonna take this skinny one, this skinny straight one, and we're gonna take that one up to that V where he's cutting. And I'll bring them up with the forks. I'll leave the rock bucket down here. That worked out pretty well. Here's a better view of this log. You didn't get to see it too much last time we worked on it or cut it. But yeah, here's the log. It's got a little bit of rot here and there. But that's fine. We'll probably cut this off or something, you know. Pretty nice piece of cherry. Okay, we're gonna take this log off now. Put it over here. I'm gonna take the skid steer over, gonna grab my log, and then we're gonna pressure wash it because we want to pressure wash it so we don't have any dirt on it, because the dirt will damage that blade, and well, I'd rather not have to waste blades. Uh-huh.
Key on, choke on. Oh.
Okay, height-wise, I mean, we got it set to a 6x6, and now we're gonna just square up these ends.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good.
It's not bad.
That did not come out bad at all. That came out really good for the second log we cut. Took a little bit longer than it should, but we'll speed it up as we get better. I'll just time lapse this whole thing. You'll see this log hopefully turn to that. Okay, all done for today. Now, see you tomorrow. Okay, we're back here again this morning, and we're gonna go down and look for more wood to get. Bigger than that.
Yeah. I'll go measure it. Let's go measure it. This could be siding. Oh my gosh, it's almost 3 feet.
That's one of those you have to angle right.
Look at it.
Quite big. This is all firewood stuff.
So.
Oh yeah, it doesn't look that bad.
Taking Eli, and then this is red oak.
Doesn't look too bad. Looks like it's still firm.
We can make some stuff out of that.
Found the next spot of somewhat logs.
Double maple.
Any side thick enough? This side's thick enough fish. Doesn't look rotted out.
No. I'd like to get one of those.
There's our log. We're gonna rest around this log until we find a good spot where we can so we want to cut, so we can get the right edge on the edge of the board. Okay, that's gonna be it for tonight. And if I do another video, it's gonna be tomorrow. So see you tomorrow. Day 3, and back with this log again, this massive log. Mel detected it real quick and see if there's any nails in it. Now we're gonna, what are we gonna do? Cut this right along this? Okay, the log's all set, we think. So we're gonna start cutting it now. Okay, that went well.
First,
Ooh, that's a nice
slab
grain.
cut.
Where are we going with this?
Big slab cut. Wow, look at that character.
What character? That one?
No comment. It does look really
It
good.
does. Look at it in here.
Yeah, no joke.
Okay, we're gonna finish up what we're gonna do with this thing. We're gonna do a quick skim cut and then we're gonna flip it. Yep. Time to put the next slab. This is gonna be like the first slab of really the full slab. Hey, you got that all the way through, Dad? For the most part, I think. look good.
Very cool. Oh, I like that. I like that center ring.
First board of many. This is gonna be the better board though.
Yeah, you can see the ripples. I don't know if that's because of the blade.
There's a hardwood or whatever the other effects are with the wood. The trial.
Yep.
Okay, I'll help you with that. Trying to see what this thing looks like. Oh, we didn't get to rot yet. That's good. That's another piece of usable wood then. Okay, we flipped it. Now we're cutting it so we can get a little bit of extra out of that end piece. You've already seen us cut this thing multiple times, so I'll just show you what we're gonna get out of it. See when we're done. Well, I haven't told you at all yet, but I am filming on a new GoPro. I'm filming on the Hero 12 with the Creators Edition. And with this Creators Edition comes a light. Oh, that's not bright enough. Oh, is that bright enough? How about that?
Cool. It's a bright light.
Yeah, a whole flashlight right on this thing.
I like it. Swapping the blade.
So, yeah, we're swapping the blade. We took the blade off. We're going to swap that tomorrow. We pulled, I think, what? Three out of this side? And then one thing out of that. That's it.